Hello everyone. Uh, so I'm continuing my process actually. So as you can see, I take a copy and preparing the materials. So this is number 7, I guess. So it's just alteration of the design. I mean, I'm preparing a slight change of the existing design. So it's like I'm trying to make uh, an insertion between the legs, between the kind of like fingers. Okay, yeah, something like that, and then make it like this. This, finally this, and this. Okay, so yeah, change a bit. Okay, so that is the number 6. That is a different shape. So that is number 6 done. As you can see. So this is how the variation, I'm doing the variation actually. So it's like sometimes you don't have to start with the scratch. You have to start from the last one and make a little bit of change, and that's it. Okay, but keep the joining part intact, like on the top part or the hinge part. You see I'm not changing that part because that part will be connected to other mm, leg part actually. So I'm just making an alteration, making some adjustment to the existing design. Okay, so now I remove the entire bottom part and make a new kind of shape out of it, trying to do that. So it's like you actually trying to make something new in every time, and little bit of connecting is going on. Okay. As you can see, I'm just creating new kind of shapes out of the box part. And I'm trying to make a front of the leg. Yeah, do a bit chamfer. Okay. And then trying to make something on the bottom part. Sorry, uh, on the back part of the foot. So it's just coming with the kind of like previous experience, and the reference and all that things. You are making this random geometry, random shapes, trying to make a bottom part of the leg piece. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Quite okay. So this is number 7. 7 is a bit different from the other parts. Okay. And then you can have the another copy of it. So make another copy like that, and make some alteration also with this one. Okay. Just lower it down. But you see, I'm making this shape after shape, but it's becoming very low poly. It's becoming very lightweight, because I have intention to use this thing in a RTS setup, RTS game type of setup, and also third person game. So too much poly will be not appropriate for this type of asset. Yeah, little bit of change. I'm adding little bit of change there, as you can see. Just making an alteration of this one, and take this part again. Remove the bottom part. Make a slight change of this one. Remove the bottom part and just make some adjustment here as well, here as well. Okay, and then cut out the middle part, something like this. Cut out the middle part. And then extrude this section. And little bit of chamfer this one. Extrude this part. So it's like creating a unique uh, footprint, something like this shape. Okay, yeah, that is a unique shape again. And this is the 9 foot, I guess, and one last remaining. Another one remaining actually. So this is the last part. This is the last one, number 10. And just extruding the back part like this. Make it like a similar copy. So okay, so this is the number 10 done, and I hope you enjoy this one, and I will be continuing with the next video. So don't go anywhere, just support me and stay with me. So my leg part is done already. 10 legs is done. So I will become with the next video. Thank you very much.